Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to discuss how to add an image in the HTML. So let's start. First of all, we have to open Notepad. In the Notepad, we have to type this program. In the beginning of this program, we will use HTML tag. HTML tag we used for the beginning as well as for the ending of this web page. Next, we have used title tag. Title tag, it is used when we want to specify the title of the web page. Next one, it is body tag. Body tag describes how the web page will be visible to the viewers. Different attributes of body tags are used to set different properties of a web page. For example, here I have used BG color. BG color, it stands for background color. BG color, this attribute, it will specifies the background color of the web page. Next, we have used BR tag. BR tag is used to create new line in the HTML document. Next, we have used font tag. Font tag is used to set the font style, size, and color of the text on the web page. Here we are using font style Arial. Size we have taken 7 and color we have specified like this in the hexadecimal code. Next, we have used center tag. Center tag is used when we want to align the text in center. Center tag is used to put the contents in the center of a web page. Now, here we have used the closing tag of font tag. Next, we have used another type of tags. It is called image tag. Image, in short, you can type it like this: img tag. Img tag is used to put an image on the web page. It does not have a closing tag attribute. src, this is an attribute of this img tag. It will describe the location of the image. As here we have given the path, given the location of the image, that from where browser has to take the picture. So after typing this whole program, we have to save this code by coding by assigning here file name. I have already saved it with the file name image.html. After that, we have to run the program. So for that, I have minimized it. Now I will go to the desktop where this web page it has been saved. Just double click on this browser and just have a look that now we can see the output of that particular program. In the center of this web page, this image it has been added by the browser, and the background color as we have aligned assigned yellow, so that's why this background color it has been shown here yellow. So in this way you can add an image to the web page. Students, That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have enjoyed today's video, just like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
freeintromusic.com layout track.